कॉस्मेटिक सर्जरी एंड कॉस्मेटिक प्रोसीजर्स में बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क है। सर्जरी होता है जब आप यू गो अंडर द नाइफ, जबकि कॉस्मेटिक प्रोसीजर्स एकदम नॉन इन्वेजिव होते हैं।
हेडलिफ्ट क्या होता है?
अभी तक तो लोगों को बोटॉक्स और फिलर के बीच में ही फ़र्क नहीं पता है। यू कैन नॉट बोटॉक्स द एंटायर फेस, बेसिकली मिड फेस इज मोर ऑफ फिलर्स।
So you're the real life photoshopper.
ऑल डिफरेंट एज ग्रुप्स और डिफरेंट रिक्वायरमेंट्स। कोई 20 साल का 22 साल का, उसके लिप्स पतले, हम डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट डालेंगे। 30 to 40 में डिफरेंट डालेंगे, 50 प्लस विल बी यूजिंग अ डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट।
So when they say that height usually stops at say 16 or 17, or the bones stop growing, skin का भी ऐसा कुछ है कि
देखो, द एवरेज एज ऑफ स्किन एजिंग इज अबाउट 22। उसके बाद आपकी स्किन एजिंग स्टार्ट हो जाती है। देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड इंस्टाग्राम फेसेस।
ऐसा हुआ है कभी आपके पास कोई आया होगा ऐसे इंस्टाग्राम की इमेज लेके मुझे ऐसा दिखना है?
So females, they want everything basically.
what do men come for?
When I started my practice about 15 years, 20 years back, in last initial 5 years, only 5% of my clientele were men. And today I have 35 to 40% of my clientele as men.
आप एक बहुत फेमस नेटफ्लिक्स सीरीज पे भी आए थे which is called The Fabulous Lives of Bollywood Wives.
नीलम was there on the show. Live मैंने इंजेक्ट किया शो में उनको।
एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सवाल मेरे दिमाग में आता है कि सही डॉक्टर कैसे चुने?
Namaste everyone, मैं हूँ शिवोहम
और मैं हूँ वृंदा।
and welcome to our channel Body, Mind and Beyond. इससे पहले कि हम अपने गेस्ट को इंट्रोड्यूस करें, प्लीज मेक श्योर यू लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर। और अगर ऐसा कोई टॉपिक है जिसके बारे में आप सुनना चाहते हैं तो पुट इट डाउन इन द कमेंट्स। वी विल ट्राई आवर बेस्ट टू मेक अ वीडियो ऑन दैट। सो लेट्स मूव अहेड।
और आज की हमारी गेस्ट हैं डॉक्टर मोनिका जेकब, जो एक कंसल्टेंट एस्थेटिक फिजिशियन हैं और बहुत वेल नोन है फॉर हर विजन, foresight, skills and expertise in the field of aesthetic medicine for the past 2 decades. She is the MD of Body's Wellness and MJ Skin Health. इनकी दोनों ब्रांड्स कमिटेड हैं टू द साइंस बिहाइंड स्कल्पटिंग फेसेस, लस्ट्रस हेयर एंड फ्लॉलेस स्किन। डॉक्टर मोनिका जेकब एक बड़ी नेटफ्लिक्स सीरीज जिसका नाम है द फेमस लाइव्स ऑफ बॉलीवुड वाइफ्स, उसमें भी उन्होंने फीचर किया है, जहां उन्होंने लाइव कैमरा पे एक्ट्रेस नीलम को फेस लिफ्ट दिया है एंड देन अ नेक लिफ्ट एज वेल। मतलब शी इज अ वेरी पॉपुलर एस्थेटिक फिजिशियन अमंग्स द सेलिब्रिटीज टू। आइए जानते हैं डॉक्टर मोनिका जेकब से कि एस्थेटिक एनहांसमेंट मतलब और ज्यादा सुंदर दिखने के लिए कौन कौन से प्रोसीजर्स लोग करवाते हैं और इनके लिए क्या सेफ्टी प्रोटोकॉल्स जानना बहुत जरूरी है। लेट्स गो। अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू यू डॉक। थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग ऑन आवर शो।
Thank you for having me here on your podcast.
तो आज हम जो बात करने वाले हैं डॉक, इट इज अबाउट समथिंग वेरी वेरी नॉट स्पोकन अबाउट अर्लियर, और आज वो थोड़ा मेन स्ट्रीम में आ रहा है। तो हम आज के फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट करते हैं कि थोड़ा क्लैरिटी मिल जाए हमारे व्यूअर्स को कि कॉस्मेटिक प्रोसीजर्स और कॉस्मेटिक सर्जरी में फ़र्क क्या है।
कॉस्मेटिक सर्जरी एंड कॉस्मेटिक प्रोसीजर्स में बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क है। सर्जरी होता है जब आप यू गो अंडर द नाइफ, आप एक ओटी बुक करते हैं, आपको एनेस्थीसिया दिया जाता है, कटिंग होती है। जबकि कॉस्मेटिक प्रोसीजर्स एकदम नॉन इन्वेजिव होते हैं और मिनिमली इन्वेजिव होते हैं, जो कि लंच टाइम प्रोसीजर्स होते हैं। आपका अगर आप बोटॉक्स, फिलर्स या थ्रेड लिफ्ट, इसमें से कोई भी इन्वेजिव प्रोसीजर भी करा रहे हैं, वो भी आपका 1-1.5 घंटे में ख़त्म हो जाता है, जिसमें कि सिंपल नमिंग क्रीम लगती है आपके फेस के ऊपर, थोड़े इंजेक्शंस दिए जाते हैं जो भी आपका एरिया ऑफ कंसर्न होता है। एंड समटाइम्स यू सी इमीडिएट रिजल्ट। जैसे डर्मल फिलर्स करेंगे तो आपको इमीडिएट रिजल्ट मिलता है, बट थ्रेड लिफ्ट है उनका थोड़ा सा डाउन टाइम होगा। बोटॉक्स का इफेक्ट आपको 4-5 दिन में नजर आएगा।
डाउन टाइम का मतलब क्या होता है?
डाउन टाइम होता है इमीडिएटली जब आप प्रिक करेंगे तो आपको स्वेलिंग, ब्रूजिंग, रेडनेस वो सब हो सकता है।
तो लोगों को डरना नहीं चाहिए कि
तो
ये क्या
लोगों
हो
को
रहा है?
डरना नहीं
हाँ।
चाहिए, और आपको अपने डॉक्टर से पूछ लेना चाहिए कि कल आपके घर में शादी है या आपकी एंगेजमेंट है और एक दिन पहले आप ये प्रोसीजर के लिए आ रहे हैं, मैं चाहूंगी कि आप अवॉइड करें, क्योंकि अगर एक ब्रूज भी रह जाएगा तो आपको 7 दिन लगेंगे उसको ठीक होने के लिए।
सो ट्रू, सो ट्रू।
और अगर आप थ्रेड लिफ्ट करा रहे हैं, जो कि कॉक थ्रेड्स आजकल बहुत चर्चा में, और विच इज अ ट्रेंडिंग थिंग।
व्यूअर्स को कि थ्रेड लिफ्ट क्या होता है?
ओके, अभी तक तो लोगों को बोटॉक्स और फिलर के बीच में ही फर्क नहीं पता है। तो लोग जब मेरे पास आते हैं तो बोलते हैं, डॉक्टर वो देखो उनका पूरा फेस बोटॉक्स्ड है। It is not Botox. You can only do Botox to relax the muscle, which can be upper forehead or maybe a little bit of jawline or
Really?
masseter. Yes, you cannot Botox the entire face. Basically, mid face is more of fillers.
अच्छा,
जब आपको वॉल्यूम लॉस होता है या आपको एनहांसमेंट चाहिए होती है उसके लिए आपको एक प्रोडक्ट लगता है जो सिरिंजेस में आता है जिसको आप डर्मल फिलर बोलते हैं, जो आपको चीक ऑगमेंट कर सकता है या एप्पल चीक्स दे सकता है, आपके हाई चीक्स बना सकता है या चिन ऑगमेंटेशन और जॉ लाइन के लिए लिप और रिफाइनमेंट्स भी करता है, जैसे कि अंडर आइज आपको डार्क सर्कल्स या हॉलोनेस और लुकिंग टायर्ड, इट कैन इंप्रूव योर अंडर आइज और इट कैन एनहांस योर लिप्स.
So you're
Right.
the real
Okay.
life Photoshopper. The Photoshop मैंने basically I started studying animation, so Photoshop was something, and this is exactly what we used
There's
to do.
one point I want to come to that too. हाँ.
तो smudge करके थोड़े से cheeks को
चीक्स
यहाँ कर
उठा लिए
दिए,
और
थोड़े
यहाँ
color
कर
shift
लिया.
किया.
Correct.
But now you're doing it in real life.
We're doing it in real life, and it is so easy, you know, once you understand what the person needs, and all different age groups have different requirements. कोई 20 साल का 22 साल का उसके लिप्स पतले, हम डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट डालेंगे, 30 to 40 में डिफरेंट डालेंगे, and 50 plus will be using a different product.
how interesting.
And also when we're doing lips at 20s, I mean there's a different way we inject. लिप्स में उनको एनहांसमेंट चाहिए, उनका स्ट्रक्चर सराउंडिंग स्ट्रक्चर स्ट्रॉन्ग है तो उनको एक थिन प्रोडक्ट से भी एनहांसमेंट हो जाएगा. वेयर एज इन यू नो लेट मिड 30s अर्ली 40s we have to start supporting the structure around that area because all that we're aging medially and downwards. First you have to improve the structural framework, take it back and then work. That's why we call it refinement, whether we're doing the under or the lip.
So true.
So when they say that height usually stops at say 16 or 17, or the bones stop growing, skin का भी ऐसा कुछ है कि
देखो the average
features-
age of skin aging is about 22. उसके बाद आपकी skin aging start हो जाती
Okay.
है.
Are
So
you
the
serious?
anti-aging procedures have to be started at that time.
that early.
Yeah, that
Really?
early.
But
Yeah.
can you do anything to prolong good skin so that then anti-aging can start a little bit later?
Yeah. Anti-aging means that we are trying to prevent your aging.
हाँ,
Okay.
But with something maybe less.
Yes. So just a
invasive,
good
हाँ.
skincare.
Correct.
so true.
Skincare, where
Yeah.
we are using a certain active. So now, depending whether your skin is oily or dry or a combination, we advise the products according to that.
Yeah. तो आप प्रोसीजर की बात नहीं कर रहे at that age right
उस
now.
टाइम में प्रोसीजर की बात ही
हाँ.
नहीं कर रही हूँ. अगर आपको एक्ने है, you will require a little bit of medifacial, something you know like a salicylic peel, a milder version, maybe just a LED light, because every time using a product might not be helping you, or
Correct.
maybe extractions of the whiteheads or the blackheads.
So true.
But you must be also guiding people कि ठीक है आप मेरे पास तो आ जाओ ये सब करने के लिए, but make sure you don't smoke or you don't drink
It's
or
a 360-degree
Correct.
approach. They have to follow a healthy lifestyle. Because if they're healthier, you know, they're also positive. Mental well-being is the most important thing today. You know, because of the Instagram and the social media, everybody's getting so influenced.
Correct.
As you said, you know, there's something called Instagram faces. Everybody's looking the same.
So true.
And
the bee stung lips are also very
yeah,
popular.
Yeah, so they put filters, but people are not able to understand that these are not real life images. They want to look like them.
correct.
ऐसा हुआ है कभी आपके पास कोई आया होगा ऐसे इंस्टाग्राम की इमेज लेके मुझे ऐसा दिखना है?
इंस्टाग्राम की इमेजेस, लोगों की इमेजेस,
ये अपने
पॉपुलर
filters
लोगों
वाली
की
लेके?
इमेजेस, अपने ही फिल्टर की इमेजेस लेके आए हुए हैं
My
that मुझे
God.
ऐसे बनना है.
पर आपको उनको एजुकेट करना पड़ता
ऑफ
होगा.
कोर्स मेरे को पहले तो मुझे समझना पड़ता है वो ट्रीटमेंट क्यों करा रहे हैं, कोई भी आता है, whether it's for their own self esteem, for their own self confidence, or is because of the external pressure, they want to impress someone and they want to look a certain way.
That is so good, doc.
Yeah, or they have some unrealistic expectations which I cannot fulfill.
So you tell them.
So I tell them, I ask
Yeah.
them, I have the initial consultation is very detailed. And I have to
Beautiful.
explain them this is not one thing. मैं एक फिलर डाल के आपका पूरा चेहरा
I'm
बदल
not
नहीं
really
सकती.
fairy godmother मतलब
Yeah,
Like a magic wand.
I don't have a magic wand. And even if I have to treat your face, upper 1/3 requires a different treatment, middle 1/3 requires a different treatment, the lower 1/3 requires a different treatment altogether. And also there's a cost involved in all these procedures.
Of course.
So today I do a treatment for you और कल आप बोलेंगे आपने तो इतने पैसे लिए, मुझे तो फर्क ही नजर नहीं आया.
लेकिन वो सबसे ब्यूटीफुल ट्रीटमेंट वही होता है ना जिसमें ऐसा भी कोई जारिंग फर्क नहीं आना चाहिए, नहीं तो कोई
ऐसा
डर ही ना
होता
जाए.
है, हाँ, ऐसा भी होना चाहिए, बट उसके लिए भी हमें कॉम्बिनेशन ट्रीटमेंट्स लगते
So
हैं.
true.
Now we have different layers of skin. हमारी स्किन है सबक्यूट है, हमारी एजिंग के साथ लिगामेंट्स लैक्स हो रहे हैं, जिसके साथ फैट पैड्स अटैच्ड है. So everything is coming down. So we have to work on different layers of the skin. आपका फैट पैड नीचे आया तो मुझे कॉक्स डाल के पहले उन्हें उठाना पड़ेगा।
फैट पैड क्या होता है?
हमारे चेहरा जो जैसा दिखता है, हमारे बोन के ऊपर हमारे फैट पैड्स होते हैं, which is deep fat pads, superficial fat pads, ligaments which are holding these fat pads, a subcutaneous tissue and the skin on top.
राइट.
अब एजिंग के साथ क्या होता है, there's atrophy also of fat pads, hollow होते हैं हम. That's why we have this nasojungal line which is very prominent. Indians anyways have very deep set eyes. हमारी आंखें तभी हम थके हुए लगते हैं. काफी लोग उनको एक इंडियन लाइन ही बोल दिया इंटरनेशनल जर्नल, because Indians have this very prominent line. ये हर फैट पैड लिगामेंट से डिवाइडेड होता है. ठीक है, जब हम फिलर डालते हैं वही फैट पैड को रिप्लेस कर रहे हैं.
तो कुछ फैट अच्छे भी हैं.
फैट तो अच्छा है फेस के ऊपर.
Of course.
नाइस.
Natural fat pads is
listen to this.
when you have fat pads is when you have a natural contour. When you start losing them is when you start having sagging. This breakdown of elastin collagen fibers, which is making your skin saggy, this loss of hyaluronic acid, this also loss of your fat pads. You know, fat pads are degrading. This sometimes hypertrophy of the deeper fat pads, जिसकी वजह से हमारी jowling भी होती है.
Correct.
So now with aging, a youthful face is like an inverted triangle, ऐसे. So everything is held up. So when you start going down, it's actually blunting your triangle. So everything is coming down needily and downwards. So use your own discretion when somebody is explaining you a certain treatment. Full face Botox कोई treatment नहीं होता है कि एक ही चीज से सब कुछ हो गया. So you need a combination of skin tightening procedures, some medifacial, some laser treatments for skin resurfacing to improve the skin quality. Then there are certain injections just to improve the skin quality which are hyaluronic acid based, which are your skin boosters, we would say. I call them as injectable moisturizers.
How
But
interesting.
they have a short life.
Yes. So anything that you do requires maintenance. आज मैंने ट्रीटमेंट किया, हमारा लाइफ लॉन्ग के लिए हमारी स्किन ठीक हो गई, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. अगर मैं आपको एक बूस्टर करती हूँ, मैं कहती हूँ आपको 2 महीने बाद फिर करना है, फिर 6 महीने बाद आपको मेंटेन करना है.
Correct.
It also depends how you're aging. If you're losing weight rapidly,
So interesting. Yeah.
then you will lose your fat pads. And in case you're drinking or smoking or lifestyle or not sleeping well or not hydrating yourself
Or you're
well,
very stressed out.
or very stressed out, and emotionally also, if you feel that not in the right frame of mind, do not do these procedures at that
So
time.
interesting.
First, stabilize yourself.
So they should take an appointment with me first.
Yes,
And with
of
Shivam
course.
then.
Yes.
And 3 of us should work
so
on them.
many times I have just refused people, and then they've gone to other doctors and come back saying that I should not have undergone that treatment in the first place.
So आपने किस grounds पे उनको ना बोला होगा?
Unrealistic expectations from the treatment. Okay, वो किसी और की फोटो लेके आते हैं, मुझे दिखाते हैं ऐसा बनाया. No, your lip shape is not that. Your lips are very thin. I cannot give you that kind of a border and that kind of projection because if I add more, तो आपका lip ऐसा duck की तरह हो जाएगा. फिर आप बोलेंगे ये आपने क्या कर दिया.
So true.
So you have to understand what material can fit in, how much we can do it, what is the realistic expectation. Okay, I cannot give you this result, so do not expect that. So they go away. Maybe somebody else is promising, but now they come back with
Correct.
lumps inside your lip.
Oh.
So which is always so difficult to undo.
I was wondering, अगर उसको undo करने के लिए क्या?
Undo के लिए एक एंजाइम होता है hyaluronidase जो हम इंजेक्ट करके फिलर्स को undo कर सकते हैं, but उससे आपका natural fat भी dissolve होता है. So this is also aging around the perioral. It's a very tricky situation which I wouldn't want to undo.
Of course.
So tell them, then there's a lot of hand holding, explaining them, let it, settle down. Maybe in a year's time it will start to get better. Do a little bit of lymphatic massage and massaging in that area. Don't try to rush into treatments without understanding.
Like I was doing a consultation and I asked this client, I said, how do you want to look? And he showed me a picture of me. And I said, okay, that's good, but you can't look like this. As in, not like you cannot look like this, but
your own structure.
Because you are different. Your body shape is different. The
100%.
structure is different. So what you can achieve, what I have achieved in this picture is a certain amount of body fat percentage or muscle weight.
Right.
That is what you can achieve, but you can't end up looking. I said for a reference, it might be all right, but still, that is not a realistic goal.
So unrealistic expectations is what I'm coming to. That people have that's the basis of my refusal of my clients.
Of course.
Yeah. Second, if they're doing under pressure, Okay, they're
what
not
kind
doing,
of pressure would it be?
they're not doing. They probably want to keep their marriage, or they want to impress their
Really?
boyfriend. There was a girl who came to me saying that she showed me a picture of a girl saying that this is my ex-boyfriend's current girlfriend. So make my lips like her, he'll come back to me.
No.
And there was another guy who came to me saying that this is the girl I want to get married to. I'm going to, meet her for the first time, and this is her favorite actor. So make me look like him. I'm ready to spend anything, but she should not say no to marriage.
My
I
God.
said, that's not. Then you're not looking. I said, I cannot help you. I can just enhance your own looks. I can make you look the best version of you, but
Of
I
you.
cannot
Or
make you look
like another person.
another person. Now, when we are injecting, we're actually doing your maths, your physics, and chemistry. Maths is because everything in art, architecture, beauty is got a 5 proportion.
Okay.
So the intercanthal distance to the width of the eye,
Yes,
even the
of
proportion of the lip, the upper and the lower, is according to the
Yes.
5
Is it the
proportion.
golden ratio?
Yes.
It's a golden ratio.
Ah.
So we work on the golden ratio. We measure faces. So this distance is fixed, the intercanthal, okay? The distance between the two eyes, and then obviously we measure the 5 proportions: the width of your eyebrow, the arch of the brow,
How
to the
interesting.
reflection of the light falling here, to the width of the chin. Okay.
How
So
interesting.
everything is measured. No, nobody is measuring, and they're just injecting. Filler is not about filling.
Beautifully said.
It is not filler. यहाँ डाल दो और अच्छा हो जाएगा. No, it's about how you create the light reflection, how you're replacing the fat pads. With what filler, what are you doing? Augmenting the ligaments, creating a structure. Which product has to be on the bone? On which depth are you adding the product?
Correct.
Is important. Now, a lot of people I see having a Tyndall effect or lumps under the eyes,
Right.
which is so difficult to correct, and they've been roaming like this. I mean, I've been trying to correct them over years, but it's difficult for me
Yeah.
to also do that
Yeah.
because they didn't have that knowledge.
So true. So you spoke about fillers. So, or we'll talk about male treatments and female
Okay, all
treatments. So women और कौन से treatments के लिए आते हैं? Which are the most popular ones?
So females, they want everything basically.
We want it all.
They want everything. They want the skin to look flawless. They want, high cheeks, and they want sculpted jawline, a nice chin, fuller lips, creaseless under eyes, and no lines on the forehead. So basically, I need to do a combination for them.
Okay.
Depending again with what age they are coming. So 20s, 30s, 40s, the treatments would vary.
People come in 20s as well?
Yes, because
Okay.
20s, at times they have acne scarring, open pores, that we need to fix. So they're coming for the resurfacing lasers, a lot of medifacial, because nowadays people they're more aware because of the beauty
True.
trends, everything trending. It's become like a mainstream thing.
Yeah.
And a lot of they're not only into acting, they also have the YouTube channels, they also have like
Yes.
Instagram influencers, which is a big thing.
Yes, of course.
I must tell you, during lockdown, because they were meeting all these, making all these beauty blogs and all those things. The moment lockdown opened, the first people I got, because they became big
All
during lockdown.
influencers.
Yes,
Influencers,
yes,
they
yes.
started coming for injectables. Oh, I can see this now. I can see the hollowness. I need a little bit of.
You get more conscious, no? जब कैमरा
Yes,
के सामने आते हो,
yeah.
तो आप conscious हो जाते हो.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so there's a whole new, world of Instagrammers and beauty influencers.
और अभी बहुत easily लोग इसको accept भी करते हैं, but
Yes.
informed decision लेना चाहिए. Go to
Yeah.
the right person.
Yeah.
तो आपने fillers की बात की, आपने botox की बात की, आपने threads की बात की. Anything else that women specific treatment? What is this Korean glass
So Korean
skin?
glass skin is, I would
मैंने
say,
recently एक नाम सुना था ये Korean glass skin.
art, चीजें लगाओ, ये करो वो करो. I don't believe in that. Basically,
ऐसा नहीं होता
a lot
ना?
of Koreans also get injectables done, and also they're blessed with a good skin. The genes are different.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So they're blessed with good genes. Plus, they undergo a lot of cosmetic surgeries over there.
Right.
They're not like us, and they start the skincare much earlier.
Okay.
Okay. Now, for us, maintaining a good skin is important. Following a skincare is very important. Applying not too much of makeup is not good, because I see a lot of these young girls come with too much makeup on.
Right.
Always. In 20s also I see. The
True.
dark circles, there will be a lot of makeup on. So that has to be avoided.
Okay.
Okay, and never sleep with the makeup on. And the most important regime, I think, is a night care regime, because if you sleep with the makeup on and without any actives, it won't give you that result only if you do only a AM routine. So AM, PM is important, but the PM is the most important thing.
Yeah, because next 8 hours you're going to be
And
sitting with
also, a
those
lot of
chemicals.
screen time is causing a lot of wrinkling.
Really?
Yeah, premature aging around the eye, which we see with people in 20s, which I wasn't seeing earlier.
Okay.
Screen time is high. They're always on their phone, laptops. So
So-
they're also emitting blue lights.
So not just for the
Yeah.
mental well-being, even for good skin,
Good
limit
skin,
your
good skin.
screen
And if you
time.
want to look nice, bright,
Yeah.
healthier, the aging of the eye.
But does this light affect the collagen or
yes,
what is it?
it causes breakdown of elastin and collagen fibers.
Okay.
They're causing more wrinkling. So that's called a blue light, which is the HEV light.
Hmm.
And the
Huh.
collagen supplement, does it actually help?
Yes, the hyaluronic acid that you take, whatever you take orally, doesn't give you the same effect when injected on the face.
Correct.
So I don't think it makes
Nothing.
a lot of sense.
And in bodybuilding, HL is actually used in bodybuilding. So
Hyaluronic
Yeah.
acid.
So but in bodybuilding, the way they say it is, okay, to keep it for longer, and of course it is a regular process which is done. Lekin to keep it for longer, you actually have to exercise that muscle.
Of course.
So if you're injecting on the face, then how would you exercise to make sure that the hyaluronic acid stays?
So basically, the fillers, they come in different range. Now, you know, hyaluronic acid, which is used for lifting as a product, is injected on the bone.
Okay.
So it does not move at all.
Correct.
Whether you swim, jump, do whatever, it won't move. And also, the understanding of anatomy is very important, and the rheology of the product, where the chemistry comes into play, and how much product will give you how much projection, and where we're using only in the skin. If you use a thinner product deeper, it will be wasted.
Got it.
Interesting.
Of
So you
course.
have to
तो
use
दिखेगा ही नहीं
certain,
कुछ.
हाँ, दिखेगा भी नहीं, हमें कुछ दिखाना भी नहीं अगर हम स्किन में डाल रहे हैं.
Of
It
course.
has to be, you know, a superficial,
subtle and, yeah.
superficial subcute. If I put the thinner product deep, it will be lost. If I put a thicker product superficially, it will numb.
Exactly.
So that's why we see a lot of complications or pillow faces or overfill syndromes is what we are seeing nowadays. And
What is
people
it
get
called?
scared.
Pillow face?
Pillow face. You see when we look at people and they're looking swollen.
हाँ.
Yes.
So that's not water retention.
That's not water retention. So also the fillers absorb a lot of water.
Of course.
Ah.
Of course. HLA and all of these, they absorb water.
And
Yeah.
if you have overdone it, then your face will look swollen.
ठीक है, we go to the gym
Hmm.
and we work out. We are training all the muscles below the chin.
Mm-hmm.
Neck के भी हम लोग कर लेते हैं
Correct.
exercise, but for the face, I mean, I've seen couple of people do all these
I also
kind
do
of
these.
things.
I like my face yoga.
Yeah, so, certain things I don't recommend when you do too much of E because you're also stimulating your proximal bands, which is pulling your neck down.
Okay.
Okay.
Certain
things-
expressions not
certain
recommended.
expressions I wouldn't go.
So besides of course doing this, I mean I would think it would be very normal कि अगर हम बाकी सब जगह का skin we are keeping it tight with the muscle.
Correct.
I mean, why won't we go and do something about the facial skin as well?
So that's why you need to consult a professional and
Yeah.
see whatever is your aesthetic goal. You're just
Yes,
looking for skin
exactly.
improvement, or you're looking for a little bit of skin tightening without injectables.
Correct.
There's so many things.
And like you said, हर चीज का grade आता है. We don't have to
Yes.
look like do the threads or whatever, but we can
Correct,
just do basic.
Just basic medifacials to clean up, or maybe whatever changes a doctor can see, or she can advise you
So,
something. according to
aesthetic
that.
procedure का मतलब ये नहीं है सिर्फ कि injectables.
नहीं.
नहीं. Facials also come as aesthetic procedure.
Medifacials because अगर आप acne आप normal parlor में चलोगे you'll aggravate because वो ऐसे मसाज करेंगे, so the entire infection will spread. Now if you're having pigmentation and do certain facials again like this with more exfoliation, you end up worsening your pigment.
Okay.
Okay. Now everybody has something or the other. Okay, which I would say that go to a doctor rather than going to these places, especially when you have some problem.
हाँ, pedicure के लिए जाओ आप अपने
हाँ.
salon में, कोई बात नहीं है.
हाँ, जो अगर आपको थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम है और आपकी ठीक नहीं हो रही है, that means somewhere you need to consult a
Correct.
professional.
Of course.
You anyways spending your time and money and your effort, and
Rather
जब
do
मेरे
it
पास
properly.
आते हैं, जब मैंने इतना दे दिया, मैंने इसका पैकेज ले लिया और मेरा तो एक्ने और वर्स हो गया.
Yeah.
And also a lot of over the counter products. अभी ये इस ब्यूटी इन्फ्लुएंसर ने वो बोला, उसने ये बोला, आपने सारे प्रोडक्ट्स लगा लिए, 4 एक्टिव साथ में लगा देना, स्किन इज सेंसिटिव and it's
Yeah.
burning.
Influencers का I mean,
So what suits them might not suit you.
So true. So people have to just become wise.
Yes.
So everyone who's watching, please become wise, educate yourself and go to the right person, go to the specialist जो उनकी field है.
So I mean, of course, you said कि ladies to want to get
Everything.
everything done. What do men come for? What do they usually come for?
So this is a interesting analysis. The other day I was just seeing my records, and I saw that when I started my practice about 15 years, 20 years back, in last initial 5 years, only 5% of my clientele were men. And today I have 35 to 40% of my clientele as men.
See.
So you see the
Really?
changing trend.
Of course.
Okay, initially they would only come for hair thinning, okay, or hair loss, or maybe slight pigmentation or acne. But now they want to look attractive. You know, they're going to the gym, they're exercising, they're looking, they want to have a stronger chin, they want to look more masculine, they want to have fuller lips, they have a nice bridge of your nose. You know, they want to
Nose
have
bridge भी
apples.
कर सकते
Yeah,
हैं?
yeah, with fillers. You can non-surgically also things can be done
What
with
is a
threads.
bridge?
So you can have a well-defined. Sometimes they have a little
Acha.
bit of nasal hump. They want to correct that.
Acha.
A little bit of filler
Ah.
because the side profile is not looking good.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Or they're looking just tired. You know, men in 40s have achieved it and they've killed it and they worked very hard. So, but they're looking tired all the time. They just want to look fresher, so they don't mind undergoing a little bit of under eye filler, a little bit of cheek which is looking flatter, which will just augment their looks. They're fine with, believe me, they're fine with crow's feet and lines here,
Yeah,
but they're not
absolutely.
fine with looking tired.
No, but that's one thing I've noticed. I mean,
And today they also want fuller lips.
ah,
How interesting.
Yeah, which was never there earlier. Last 5 years, what I'm saying is, okay, do you think I need a little bit of lip? I said, yeah, you can. But obviously, the way we inject lips in the male and a female is different. Because we
बचपन
cannot
में
feminize.
बचपन में
Amazing.
अंगूठा चूस लेते थे, lips बड़े हो जाते normally. How much do these procedures usually cost, or in a range? Don't have to give the exact price.
Yeah, see,
but
medifacials start from 5,000 onwards. It's not that expensive. If you go to any good, parlor or a salon, they would charge you that much. And even if I'm talking about a Venus or a Hollywood facial, it would be 6,000 to 8,000 a session.
Okay.
And believe me, people think it is expensive, but the skincare that you're using, and I talk
Turns
about a
out to be
skin
more
booster,
expensive.
that turns out to be much more expensive. If you're doing a booster for a 15,000 or 18,000,
Booster क्या होता है?
Skin booster, the injection that we do for skin hydration.
Okay.
If you divide that over your skincare, for next 6 months, the longevity of that product will be for 6 months.
correct.
If I do a filler which lasts for about 2 years, if you divide that cost of a 25 to
Yes, ends up
30,000
being
filler
very
over
cheap,
2
of
years,
course.
comes out
Yeah.
to be the same as your skincare, or not even skincare, your makeup.
So true.
So people are not thinking that when I tell them, okay, instead of this, why don't you do this? Then they're like, oh yeah, it's going to stay for 2 years.
Which makes a lot of sense.
तो फिलर 2 साल तक रह सकते हैं.
हाँ, डिपेंडिंग आप कौन सा फिलर करते हैं. पतला फिलर करेंगे तो 6 से 8 महीना 9 महीना रहेगा. अगर आप थोड़ा सा थिक फिलर करते हैं तो 1-1.5 साल से 2 साल तक आपके फिलर्स रहते हैं.
और जब आप फिलर्स बोलते हैं तो वो कहाँ कौन से फेस के कहाँ पे एरिया पे किए जाते हैं?
सब जगह कर सकते हैं. आप फोरहेड फिलिंग के लिए कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज विद एजिंग यू आर लूजिंग द कॉन्वेक्सिटी, तो आप यहाँ पे डाल
right,
सकते हैं
yes.
फिलर. टेम्पल्स में डालते हैं लैटरल ब्राउ, बिकॉज वी गो हॉलो हियर फॉर द हाई चीक, for the mid face volume replacement, for the nasal labels, for the under eyes, some manner hollow.
अंडर आई में भी डलते फिलर?
Under eye dalta hai filler, thinner product. Okay, and then for the jawline, for creating that angle of the jaw, for the chin, for
बट
the
फिलर इंजेक्टेबल है.
filler inject.
हाँ, राइट
Filler is inject.
राइट.
This entire range of product, at what depth you have to put which product so that it looks natural. The whole idea is to look natural.
वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन
Okay.
जो सुन के लोगों को बहुत मजा आने वाला है. आप एक बहुत फेमस नेटफ्लिक्स सीरीज पे भी आए थे, विच इज कॉल्ड द फैबुलस लाइव्स ऑफ बॉलीवुड वाइव्स.
Yes.
और उस पे आपने एक्चुअली वन ऑफ द एक्टर्स यू हैव गिवन हर अ लाइव फेसलिफ्ट एंड अ नेक लिफ्ट इफ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन.
Yes. In season 1 I gave a facelift, and
हाँ.
season 2 I gave a neck lift.
आप प्लीज ये एक्सपीरियंस हमारे साथ शेयर कीजिए.
So it was a fantastic experience for me, and we are the people who are behind the camera all the time. Now, the first time that I was facing the
Yeah.
camera, and there were like 3 cameras live on you, but it was a beautiful experience because I thought that it would be like an eye opener for people, so that people understand what Bollywood does. It's not only your skincare yoga, because this is what people are doing. This was a misconception. इसी से ही सब कुछ हो जाता है. A little
So true.
bit of injectable is required.
एंड पहली बारी क्या ऐसा हुआ था कि एक्चुअली में शो में दिखाया है?
लाइव मैंने
Yeah.
इंजेक्ट किया शो में उनको. सीजन
और
1
कौन
में भी
एक्टर थे ये?
नीलम was there on the show, and so
Right.
kind of her to give a beautiful face. She's stunning.
Yes, she
Anyway,
is.
She is so stunning.
Yeah.
and so she was also scared, if you see, because it was a live thing that we
Yeah.
had to do. But the entire message that minimally invasive procedure without any downtime can still give you results.
Right.
So that was the entire message, and you do not have to do too much.
Amazing.
These are anti-aging procedures which are preventing your further aging, which is also hydrating the skin, which is also giving you some immediate result.
So true.
And everybody could see the change on the show.
जैसे हम बॉडी डिस्मॉर्फिया की बात करते हैं,
Correct.
सो ऐसे फेस डिस्मॉर्फिया भी होता है क्या?
हाँ, so this is a part of a body dysmorphic disorder. What we're talking.
Okay.
आप कराते रहते हो, आप खुश नहीं होते हो. अब मैं मना करूंगी, आप दूसरे के पास जाएंगे, आप तीसरे के पास जाएंगे. There's a limited thing you can do with this non-surgical treatments.
Yeah, so true.
4 डॉक्टर बदलने से आपका you will
आप
not be
नहीं बदल जाओगे,
satisfied.
और आप ही नहीं बदल जाओगे.
Correct. So unrealistic expectations, looking like someone else, and thinking कि मेरी तो शक्ल ही बदल जाएगी, मैं यहाँ से वहाँ हो जाऊंगी. That is
Face off.
Yeah, face off, right. That's not which you should be targeting at all.
तो कहीं ना कहीं सेल्फ एक्सेप्टेंस होना बहुत
Yes.
सेल्फ अप्रिसिएशन होना भी बहुत जरूरी है.
Yes.
कि जैसा भगवान ने बनाया है, काफी अच्छा बनाया है, उसको थोड़ी रिफाइनमेंट करनी है तो करवा सकते हैं.
Correct.
लेकिन जैसे आप दिखते हो उसके जैसे ही दिखोगे.
Yes.
तो आपका बोन स्ट्रक्चर सब कुछ तो बदल नहीं जाएगा. आई थिंक
Yes.
लोग वो भी करवा सकते हैं.
With non-surgical, there's a limited
Of
thing that you
course.
can do. See, there was a study conducted where they said that with the combination of what we do, out of 10, at least 7 to 8 features you can change, which is huge.
ऑफ कोर्स.
And when I see
ये
all
कौन कौन से
these-
फीचर्स हैं दैट यू कैन चेंज?
see, most of the things can be changed. Obviously, the
Eye
intercanthal distance, yeah, the bone structures we cannot do
Huh.
much except for the sides.
राइट.
So most of things can be, changed, but not everything.
ऑफ कोर्स.
Obviously, rhinoplasty, but we cannot cut your nose and things
Of
like
course.
that. But now many things can be reverted, and it's not a great idea. A lot of these young people are also getting into surgeries a lot nowadays. पहले आप नॉन सर्जिकली करके देखो, आपको नहीं अच्छा लगता, if you're happy with that, continue. If you're not happy, then go ahead. I've seen people getting chin implants, and they're not able to open their mouth or close the mouth later while sleeping. There's a lot of complications that happen with surgery.
It's not so
It's an
simple.
informed
It has-
decision that you need to take, that okay, I will be okay if I have a complication tomorrow.
Of course, and uska downtime, everything has to be considered.
Yeah.
So these are very informed decisions that people have to make for themselves. किसी के सुनने से, किसी के कुछ देखने से आप decisions मत लीजिएगा. Make informed decisions. That's all we are trying to say.
Yes.
Who has been your oldest client? Oldest as in age-wise oldest.
Okay, age-wise,
Huh.
I have a lot of men and women coming to me in their 80s.
What?
Yeah,
I would have never thought.
yeah.
80s.
80s. So
But-
they want to celebrate their 75th anniversaries, and
How
they're
cute.
all going out for outings, and a bunch of people who are very spiritual. They have the gurus and everything,
Nice.
but they also want to look good at the same time. They want the skin to glow, and
And they will still look very sensibly aesthetic.
Yeah, yes,
They look close to their age,
They
but
dress
fresh.
up well, and they feel great when they see a little bit of change
Huh.
on their face, and I think that's a good thing to do, because they stay positive and they stay happy, and obviously if they are thinking about changing themselves, or certain things that they don't like, also reflects a lot of positivity.
Of course. So 80 की age में भी ये
81,
procedures come.
82, I have like whole bunch of them, 75 to 82, 83, they all are coming, even men.
How interesting. I
Yeah.
would have never thought.
Yeah.
लेकिन उनको भी थोड़ा सा slightly उनको better लगना होगा. उनका
हाँ, और
उतना
मैं
तो
बोलती
बदल
हूँ
नहीं
ज़्यादा
पाओगे.
मत करो. I said you have health issues, you have this, you have that, you have blood thinners.
नहीं,
I
doc,
said-
डाल दो.
I said don't do this. Forget them. My own father, he had like angioplasty. It was blood thinners. I went to meet him.
Huh.
He was in Chandigarh. He says, "तू आई है तो भी यार 2 फिलर डाल के जाना. I've lost volume." I said,
That's your dad?
My dad. I said, "I'm blood thinners." I said, 2 days prior they did this. He said, कोई नहीं, Bruce चला जाएगा. So you won't be coming back again.
That is so cute. जब मैं मेरी workshops भी करती हूँ for mental well-being, तो उसमें कहीं ना कहीं एक सेल्फ एक्सेप्टेंस और अप्रिसिएशन उसका एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हिस्सा है.
Correct.
कि आप जब शीशा प्रैक्टिस में करवाती हो, कि आप जब शीशा देखते हो ना, हर रोज जब पहली बार शीशा देखते हो, तब आप एक भी फ्लॉ पे फोकस मत करना. You just literally accept yourself and appreciate yourself as the life that you are. वो एक फाउंडेशन होगा ना, तो आई फील कि आप बहुत से डिसीजंस एक सही लाइट में लोगे.
राइट.
नहीं तो निटपिक कर रहे होते, अरे यार ये डार्क सर्कल है, अरे आंखें ऐसी लग रही हैं, मुंह सूजा हुआ है. मतलब कि बहुत नुक्स निकालते हैं हम अपने आप में. तो ये
very critical about ourselves.
Very critical. We are very mean to ourselves also. So I tell people कि please start loving yourself. कि आप किसी के सामने जाके नहीं बोलोगे तुम ऐसे क्यों दिख रहे हो आज? What is wrong with you? What is wrong with your face? हम खुद को बोल सकते हैं.
Correct.
कितनी बार लोग अपने आप को बोलते हैं. So I feel कि somewhere थोड़ा सा appreciation खुद के लिए होना बहुत जरूरी है. And accepting the aging process somewhere.
Yes.
So डॉक आपने बहुत सी चीज़ें बताई एंड आई एम श्योर कि आवर व्यूअर्स आर गोइंग टू रियली बेनिफिट फ्रॉम दैट. एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सवाल मेरे दिमाग में आता है कि जब हमने बोला कि डॉक्टर आपको डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू गो टू अ डॉक्टर बिफोर यू मेक अ डिसीजन, तो सही डॉक्टर कैसे चुने?
देखिए, जब आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, फर्स्ट यू कैन चेक देयर प्रोफाइल बिफोर गोइंग देयर, सी द बिफोर आफ्टर इमेजेस, सी द काइंड ऑफ रिजल्ट्स दे डिलीवर, check for the testimonials, reviews, ask your friends where they go, whether they're satisfied. And please, you must go to the doctor, have a full thorough consult. See whether you're satisfied with the questions that you've asked. कोई red flags होंगे, कोई सीधा बोलेगा yes आपको 100% result मिलेगा, आपका इतने में सब correct हो जाएगा. These all are red flags.
Okay.
So what are the 5
main questions you should ask?
So 5 main questions is what is the longevity of the procedure that we are doing. एक ही procedure अगर बोल रहे हैं, that's a red flag. Because one procedure is never enough for one particular procedure, especially for anti-age.
True.
Second is thing, if somebody is guaranteeing you 100% result, that's a red flag.
Okay.
Third, somebody is telling you no side effects.
Okay.
So they have to explain you there can be, at least with any injectables, some kind of redness, bruising, swelling, a little bit of downtime will happen with that. Okay. It might not happen, but it can happen.
Correct.
Nothing will happen is a red flag.
Correct.
Okay.
Right.
Second, giving you an unrealistic expectation from the treatment. Use your own discretion. Go back and study. Take time to analyze. And fifth thing would be, at least a treatment plan has to be made. Everything cannot be done at one go.
So important.
And you cannot do multiple things in the same area. I can understand you doing one treatment here, one the mid-phase one, but on the same area doing 2-3 treatments.
Basically, if a doctor says yes to everything that you ask,
and everything can be done, whatever then it's a no.
Then it's a definitely no.
Yeah.
And I also feel कि जब इंसान किसी डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, comfort factor आना बहुत जरूरी होता है. So you don't want to be like this one cog in a machine कि वो इधर किया, 4 patient numb होके बैठे हैं, and the doctor going from one to the other. ऐसा भी होता है. I've heard about this. तो वो एक comfort factor, this doctor cares.
Yeah.
And
see whether you are comfortable, whether she's answering all your questions. Does she have patience with you to answer all your queries? उसके पास उतना time है क्या आपके लिए?
You don't want anybody who is not patient to be doing a procedure on you.
Procedure के बाद आपको वो चाहिए available है, होगी क्या आपके लिए?
Yeah.
Is she there for you? He or she, whosoever is there.
So important.
That's important.
And also the staff. आज प्रोसीजर आप चले गए ना, आप कोई आपका फोन उठा रहा है ना, आपसे कोई ठीक से बात कर रहा है ना, आपको
ऐसा भी होता है.
हाँ,
हो सकता है.
Clinics, there are a lot of these places where different doctors are coming.
Right. तो मतलब कि किसी ने
प्रोसीजर किया, किसी और ने देखा, आप बिग ब्रांड्स के अंदर चले जाओ, 4-5 डॉक्टर, वो नहीं, आज वो है, किसी को नहीं पता आपने क्या किया. Yeah, so you
cosmetic pop-up.
So just see whether you feel comfortable. It's your face towards the end of the day that you're giving to someone.
Right.
What is your take on growth hormone?
So growth hormone is, again, we need to check the levels of the growth hormone, and it's a good anti-aging, especially in people who are aging and you need to build up that muscle. So it is a great thing to do. But a lot of people I've seen that who've been taking growth hormone for a long time also develop a pituitary adenoma. Like आपकी gland होता है जो बढ़ जाता है.
Because growth hormone, of course, everything is growing.
Everything is growing. So see at what age you're taking and why you're taking, what's the reason behind it. I would say go to an endocrinologist.
So true, so correct.
Go to an endocrinologist, get everything done, because I had a patient that kept saying, do not take it. You've been taking for a long time, one of the safest hormones to take. But still, she started developing headaches, and then she did her scans, and it came out that she had a pseudo tumor. Obviously, which gets reversed
Of course.
later. But
Why
I would
take
say go
chance?
to an endocrine.
Of
There are different
course,
doctors
thank
for
you.
that.
Yes,
There are
yes.
different doctors for that.
Because even though growth hormone is said it's for skin and it's for hair
helps,
and it's for
yeah.
bone, but
Yeah.
But go to
yet
an
you
endocrinologist for
even
that.
though you're a specialist in skin and hair, you would still not interfere with a
I
hormone.
will not. I will not.
Nice. That is amazing. And now, Doc, for the rapid fire. All set?
All set.
All right. Botox or fillers?
Both.
Nice. आपने पहले explain किया था कि दोनों की
अपनी
अपनी
जगह है.
Most popular cosmetic procedure right now?
I would say dermal fillers and thread lifts combination.
Okay. Your go-to skincare product?
Sunscreen.
Okay. Celebrity with the best skin?
There are many.
Okay. Any one favorite? One skincare myth you want to debunk?
Okay, exfoliation is overrated. Over exfoliation can lead to pigmentation and exacerbation of your acne.
Okay. Laser treatments, yay or nay?
Yes.
Okay. Most requested treatment from celebrities?
I think lip filler is one thing that everybody does.
Okay. Your favorite beauty trend this year?
Is to give someone a nice, flawless, hydrated skin.
Good. What's the one thing everybody should do for their skin?
Skincare routine.
Okay. In that, one specific favorite part?
So, depending on the age group, at least the night care has to be right.
Best advice for preventing aging?
Start anti-aging procedures at the right age, and less is more.
I like that. Less is more. And procedure मतलब कि आपका जो
चाहे वो
routine का बोलते हैं.
मेडिफेशियल हो, चाहे
हाँ.
वो स्किन केयर रूटीन हो, whether it's a small injectable, whatever your doctor advises, at least start,
At a sensible age.
Yeah, at sensible.
Perfect.
Don't start at 60. Anti-aging procedures.
Yes. What's the one cosmetic procedure you think is underrated?
Okay, using a moisturizer which is hyaluronic acid based. So moisturization of the skin is the most important thing.
Perfect. Day or night, best time for skincare? I think.
PM routine is one of the best because overnight you have to have some active and a good hydration.
Cool. Favorite part of your job?
I'm passionate about my work and I love to see people getting transformed. So the
So मुंह
transformative
दिखाई.
thing.
The unveiling after everything has
Yeah, so
happened.
the best part is when I have to give them the mirror and they look into the mirror and I can see the smile on their face. I think that's
How precious.
priceless.
How precious. Best cosmetic procedure for instant results? कोई downtime time नहीं है.
Okay, then you can do an RF or a HIFU or things like that, but the RF would give you instant results.
वो क्या होता है?
The radio
RF?
frequency.
Okay.
Okay, the Hollywood facial that we were talking
अच्छा.
about.
Okay. And
मैं आ
HIFU
रहा हूँ
क्या
उसके
है?
लिए.
आ जाओ.
HIFU क्या होता है?
HIFU is high intensity focused ultrasound. Now
Okay.
we have a HIFU, we have fractionated HIFU as well, which
Okay.
tightens your mask layer, which is a deeper layer of the skin.
Okay.
Yeah, on which our
Interesting.
fat pads are attached, which is generally done for the lower face and the neck area.
Oh, nice. Favorite celebrity collaboration?
Obviously Netflix
And Neelam.
and Neil.
Super, Doc. Thank you so much for being on our show. And I think it was all our viewers would have got such amazing information and authentic information and well qualified information. Thank you so much for coming on our
Pleasure's
show.
Thank
all
you.
mine. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And with that, we end today's episode. I hope and I know for sure कि आपको ये episode बहुत पसंद आया होगा. We will be putting all of Doc's details in the caption. अगर उनको आप contact करना चाहते हो, you can. But remember, please like, subscribe or share, comment. And of course, if there's anything more that you would like to listen to, comment में लिखिए and we will try our best to make a video on it. Thank you so much. Take care.
This is Vrinda and Shivam signing off for now.